Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're delving into the world of programming education with an in-depth review of Code Avengers. If you're looking to learn coding or teach it, this one's for you. Let's jump right in. Code Avengers is a fantastic tool for learning programming, offering a plethora of courses that make a subscription totally worthwhile. Speaking of subscriptions, Code Avengers offers a few options. You can go with a monthly plan for $29, a 6-month plan for $150, or a yearly plan for $240. And here's the kicker. Each subscription gives you access to over 100 guided projects, 100 quizzes, 500 lessons, and even course certificates. Now, Code Avengers caters to all age groups and preferences. They have course libraries for kids under 12, adults, and educators. And don't worry about the kiddos. Code Avengers even offers a junior subscription starting at $60 for 3 months, $84 for 6 months, and $96 for a full year. And guess what? They've got a free 7-day trial with no payment info needed. During the trial, you can explore up to 5 lessons per course and enjoy unlimited access to brief demo courses. Teachers also get some love. They can try Code Avengers free for 30 days, complete with all courses and intro lessons for their classes. Code Avengers is like a buffet of coding tracks. They offer 8 tracks, from coding languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, to broader subjects like web dev and computer science. Each track is divided into multiple levels, making learning bite-sized and manageable. Plus, you can earn points and badges as you complete lessons and quizzes. What's a learning platform without some hands-on practice? Code Avengers has you covered with its fantastic built-in text editor. You can write, check, and test your code directly on the platform. If you get stuck, hints and solutions are available, though they do cost you points, so use them wisely. The learning experience is engaging and interactive. You'll find videos, text instructions, and even a reference guide to HTML tags. But here's the cool part. Code Avengers teaches you not just how to code, but how code works in the real world. Now, while Code Avengers lacks course-specific forums, their responsive support team is always ready to help. They offer messaging and phone support on weekdays from 8:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Plus, they've got a program that brings coding education to underprivileged children through in-person workshops, a noble endeavor. So, to wrap it up, Code Avengers is a powerhouse in programming education. Whether you're a beginner, an adult looking to upskill, or an educator, their wide offerings have got you covered. With interactive tools, engaging courses, and a responsive support team, Code Avengers comes really close to being as awesome as our top picks like Codecademy and Treehouse. That's a wrap on our review of Code Avengers. If this video was helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech products. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.